Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from Abbotsford, BC. Today I'm going to show you this 2014 Volvo 670 tractor. It has 811,717 kilometers and a D13 engine, 455 horsepower. It has a jake brake and full diff locks, a 12-speed I-shift transmission, automated, AT02612D. Front axle is 13,200 pounds in spring suspension and rear 40,000 pounds in air suspension. Rear axle model MT40 14X4C. Ratio 3.36. Rubber all the way around 11R 22.5. They are new Michelins with about 90% wear left. Rims are aluminum all the way around, inside and out. Wheelbase 218 inches. Twin fuel tanks, 125 and 135 gallon. A 63-inch double sleeper. There will be a fresh CVI supplied with the unit. And we're going to do a general walk around, and we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. We can see it's a clean white color. The unit is very clean on pre-inspection. It's been well maintained. We're going to do a general walk around, then we're going to go inside the cab, and we're going to show you under the engine and start up the motor. And it's got a single exhaust. Again, this is a very clean and maintained unit. Let's get up to the front and get a closer look. And let's just come up tight to the grill here. And we'll just pan up the unit. I'm not seeing any problems at all. Going to step back, take a look at the front hood. On the passenger side, we're on the passenger side of the cab. I'll just scroll up here, come on over to the sleeper and down. I'm not seeing any body damages, barely a scratch in this unit. Let's take a look at the access. Stairs are nice and level, no cracks in any of the fairings. Access nice and level. Behind the sleeper, everything's in good condition. I'm going to step back here between axles 2 and 3. You will see the condition of the tires in the photos. Again, new Michelins, 90% left minimum. Let's go behind the unit. Let's come up behind the rear diff here. Follow along as far as I can. And I can do the same thing here in the driver's side. Just come up between these axles again. Stairs to the access nice on this side as well. And I'm going to pan up the sleeper. Down here in the cab. And the hood looks good. Point out here. We're going to take a look inside. Again, the cab is very clean. I'm going to show the upholstery here. It is original. Just going to cycle it on here so you can take a look at the panel. Very clean back here. We can see the double bunk. I'm just going to go over top of that. Lots of storage. And of course we're set up with a dinette here. Very clean truck. Let's start it up. Take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. And there it is, another good unit from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day. 604-996-5159.